Hey guys, just want to show you a troopy fit out that's going out tomorrow. So in this fit out we have an Evercool 40 litre drawer fridge. So it is a fridge or freezer, so heaps of space there. Next to that we've got a custom single eco drawer with a bench. So a lot of storage and then a lot of prep space, bench space there too as well. Now on the left side here we've got a power socket. So you've got a 12 volt and an Anderson, a USB-C and a USB. And then you've got your 12 volt reader there. Now powering those sockets, up the back here, we have an EnerDrive 200 amp hour lithium battery and also an EnerDrive 40 amp DC to DC. Finishing it off on each side, you've got custom wing kits as well. So plenty of storage there. So making the most of it, you can still fold your seat forward, fold it the whole way as well. And then to finish it off, up on the roof, you've also got a solar input and power for a rooftop tent. But really nice fit out, guys. It's come out really good. Hope you love it because we do. Cheers.